Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we're gonna talk about SAFUU. Yeah. First of all, a short introduction. If you don't know SAFUU until now, it's an auto staking protocol. Okay. You get a fixed APY of 383,025.8% per year. Okay, that's a lot, and the interest is paid every 15 minutes. I'm gonna keep the introduction short. What you have to do if you want to do it, it's like auto staking. That means you buy, for example, the token, you click here, then you get to this page here, and then you can, for example, whatever you have, for example, BNB or USDT, whatever, you can exchange for SAFUU. So for the certain amount of, for example, BNB that you use, you will get a certain amount of SAFUU. So what will this do? We can go here and open the app. And this means this will show you the price, the current price of SAFUU, and the market cap, and whatever you would like to know. So I'm personally invested in this project, and why? The question is, is it dead or is it still alive? Is it a good idea to invest? I mean, always do your own research, but I'm gonna tell you just some facts. So you get the interest every 15 minutes, okay? And if you go to calculator, yeah, it shows you right now my account. I have maximum amount. I have 136 SAFUU. Yeah, you can see this here at the account. This is my current balance, $7,370. And the calculator. Why is it still a good? I mean, no advice, but why do I still keep my money in this project? Because I think it's a good long-term investment. So, for example, you see right now my investment is about $7,369, okay? But because of this high interest that is paid every 15 minutes, this is the current price of SAFUU, okay? And let's say the future price will be the same, so it will not go up or go down. So, and then you can choose the kind of the days you want, how many days you want, and let's say, for example, we want 30 days. Right now I have $7,369, and if the price stays the same because of the interest that is paid, I will have $14,500, about $14,500 doing nothing, just waiting and collecting my interest. Yeah, so you can see the investment will almost double, in 30 days by doing nothing. And if the price stays the same, for example, we could also switch it to, I don't know, let's say 120 days. So in 120 days, my investment that is now about 7.4K would be $111K. Okay, that's crazy just by doing nothing. If the price, of course, if the price goes down, it's going to be a little bit less. For example, if it goes to 44, let's say, it's just going to be 90K, yeah. But if the price goes up, for example, to 77, then my investment in 120 days will be 158K. I mean, can you imagine this? Just by doing nothing, sitting and waiting. So if you have a long-term vision, I guess you could try this project. Of course, always do your own research, but I'm gonna keep my money in this project and just wait and collect the interest. Yeah. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just put it in the comments, and see you.